Is it the right time to buy or sell Phunware stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Phunware. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 18, 2024, our system has identified Phunware as a promising investment, giving it a score of 2.02. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 31.31% since we first recommended Phunware as a buy 7 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 4.47% since it was identified as a promising investment. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating a potential rise in the near future. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 15.85% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -69.15% to 57.73%. Looking at the longer-term trend of 12 months, there is a projected -69.27% change in the stock's value over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -100.00% to -59.54%. This suggests a price range of $0 to $0.129 after a year. In our latest update for Phunware, we have some interesting news. The stock price of Phunware Inc. saw high volatility on Friday, eventually closing at $0.318. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 26, 2024, the stock price of Phunware Inc. increased by 5.86%, rising from $0.300 to $0.318. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 21.87%, reaching a low of $0.303 and a high of $0.370. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, showing a significant increase of 322.74% in the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 64 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 220 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a transaction value of approximately $70.06 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price of the stock was $1.15, while the lowest price was $0.0701. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 72.36% lower than its 52-week high, which is 83 cents, and 99.94% lower than its all-time high on January 10, 2019, when it reached $550. Analysts have given Phunware stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as a buy and the price to book as a buy as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Phunware. The Phunware Inc. stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates a general buy signal for the stock and a positive forecast. The stock may face resistance at around $0.321 if it continues to rise, and it may find support around $0.142 in case of a decline. Breaking above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, and the volume is rising along with the price. This is considered a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -26.05% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator is currently giving a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Phunware. Let's talk about the support levels for Phunware stock. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $0.300 and $0.253, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level at $0.300 is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $0.253 and $0.242. Moving on to the risk factor, Phunware Inc. is considered to be a very high-risk stock. It experiences significant volatility throughout the day, as indicated by the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the last day alone, the stock had a price range of $0.0663, which is equivalent to a 21.87% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 27.73%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Phunware, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenges that impact their earnings temporarily. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.0500. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring some potential day trading levels for Phunware. If Phunware experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $0.346. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if Phunware encounters a downward trend, its first support level can be found at $0.300. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. Phunware's combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Snavely Michael sold 46,289 shares of common stock. On January 17, 2024, Snavely Michael sold 273 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Snavely Michael sold 83,903 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 57.073. In total, insiders have purchased 9,436,046 shares and sold 2,709,406 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $0.300, which is a decrease of 5.76%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn poses a high level of risk for investors. It's important to be cautious. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. This further indicates a potential downturn in the stock. Is Phunware stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe there is a buying opportunity for Phunware Incorporated stock in the short term. Several short-term signals and a positive overall trend indicate the potential for good performance. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, adding to the attractiveness of the stock. Looking ahead to Monday, January 29th, we anticipate Phunware to open at $0.0123 higher than the previous closing price, starting the day's trading at $0.330. Before we begin, it's crucial to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. What's your target for this stock? We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.